Okay.
Well, we did.
No, we're back with two cousins cooking, and Melanie doesn't want to show you her end product again. I got to cut out the cursing in that. That's not a nice word to say.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay, don't forget my thingy on.
Where did we curse? We didn't curse.
Yeah, we said the SHI.
Oh my God, shit. That's not cursing. That's a natural body function.
Oh, goodness. So we can video call when you're taking it out of the oven. So it's gonna be Melanie with the pecan chicken Alabama white sauce, and next week tune in for the Mississippi mud cake.
Mississippi mud cake. Pecans.
And that's 4 cups all like crumbed up milk.
Yeah, I bought the pieces and then I just put them through my mixer just to grind them up a little smaller.
Okay.
And I got 2 packages of onion soup mixed in with it.
Perfect. Awesome.
And in my eggs, I also have salt and pepper.
Okie dokie.
So I'm going to take one of my chicken.
And she cut the chicken in long ways in half to make it thinner.
Yeah, it's still kind of thick, but.
Oh, it doesn't have to. You can make them as thin or as thick as you want. And depending on the size of your chicken and that too, right? This might not reach every piece. It might, If it doesn't, then throw some crumbs in. When you see it getting too low, throw some breadcrumbs in or something.
I hate when it goops up on my fingers. That's the only thing I don't like.
Do you have a pair of tongs? Our list, Mel, for us to pick.
I gotta wash my hands, guys.
How's it looking for enough pecans in that, Mel?
What? What'd you say?
How's it looking for enough pecans? They look like big pieces of chicken.
Actually, not too bad. Because some of them, like this one's a little bit thinner.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad.
Melanie has her oven preheating. What do you got it on, Mel? 350 or 375?
350. Do I gotta turn it up?
I turn it up to like 375.
Okay.
And probably going to be like 15 minutes each side.
Really?
Well, they look pretty thick. I had mine in for 12 minutes, 15 minutes a side, and they were about the same, and they came out. But, you want them to be 165 internal temperature or 165.
Okay, I'll just turn this up. 375?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on 375.
But Kevin would be disappointed if we didn't put the smoke detector off.
Well, yeah, that'd be true. And the neighbors.
My house, man, all the time. It's so sensitive. It's an idea of how the.
You might as well. Yep. We'll be right back, guys.
Okay. Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
This sauce is the bomb. Melanie's going to make Alabama white sauce. It's good on burgers. It's good on French fries. It's good on chicken. And
onion rings?
Yeah. If you're making fried chicken, Melanie, after you fry the chicken, dunk it in there. It's like just coat your fried chicken in it. Next time you go get if you make.
I'll do everything but the water. We'll do that last because I have everything else here in front of me.
Yeah.
So and then just do the water last.
Yeah.
I'm just going to bring it in.
When I'm reading it, I'll say the water one last then.
Okay.
Okay. So a half a cup of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. And
I'm using Miracle Whip.
Yeah, like mayonnaise, Miracle Whip,
Whatever your preference is.
Yeah. This is very popular in a lot of the restaurants that they put.
For you don't have to clean it. Well, that's why I said it was okay. I think that's half a cup. And this sauce is not a thick sauce, so don't get worried if you're making it and it's like kind of runny. It's not supposed to be a thick sauce. It's It's a thin one. So then after you're ready there, you're going to put a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne. It's not a hot sauce. There's just a tiny tang to it with because only a quarter of a teaspoon throughout the whole sauce, right? And
Quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne?
yeah. And then 1 teaspoon of pepper. A third of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Now, if you don't have apple cider vinegar, put a little bit of apple juice and a little bit of white vinegar and use that. The original recipe many, many moons ago, they used apple juice mixed with white vinegar.
How much was this again?
1/3 of a cup. Two teaspoons of lemon juice.
Oh, I'm not using that stuff. Wait, I got new stuff. Lemon juice. About a big bottle of it.
Yeah, I go through it like crazy. Water and lemon all the time.
Yeah, but now I gotta find it. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Yeah, now they're knocking everything else over. Holy mackerel!
Holy Toledo, man. They got that on tight. So 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Garlic powder, how much was it?
A teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm telling you, man, make this stuff in the summer and when you're having a barbecue. It's like, you ever hear that thing, I put that on everything?
Yeah.
This is just like it. You'll want it on everything. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt or sea salt or whatever, but so a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire.
Teaspoon?
Yeah. Then after the teaspoon of that, put 1.5 teaspoons of sugar.
Teaspoons?
Yeah, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. No, sorry, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I was gonna say that's not enough sugar for the sauce. So 1.5 tablespoons.
Let's put just a pinch more.
And then 1 teaspoon of hot sauce.
Okay. Put my horseradish came to the top. 1 teaspoon of hot sauce.
Yeah, any hot sauce. Like you could use Tabasco, you can use sriracha, it doesn't matter. Like
I'm using Dave's.
ooh, special. And then 1 teaspoon of horseradish, like prepared horseradish.
Okay.
And 1/4 of a cup of cold water. And then you're going to whisk it together like really, really well because you want to melt the sugar and everything.
Hey, just 1 second here because I can't hear you.
Okay.
Quarter of a cup of cold water.
Yeah, 1/4 of a cup of cold water. And use
What is this?
What?
Quarter a cup of cold?
Yeah, cold, yeah. And then whisk it really well because the whisk will make sure that the sugar and everything is melted in that.
Okay, just my whisk is a little.
Or a fork.
Like
Almost like if you were beating an egg.
Okay, I'll just get all this. I don't want to let anything go to waste.
What is that here, Yana? She's sucking because she wants to go over on my lap, but she's sitting on the seat next to me. Take a little spoon and give that a taste, Mel.
Hey, I'm still mixing here.
Yeah, when you're done there. And then refrigerate it because they get it nice and cool and let it.
It's supposed to be runny like that? Is that how it's supposed to go?
Yeah, it's supposed to be really thin. It's not a thick sauce.
Yeah, I'll take a little finger spoon. Oh my God, that is good.
It's the bomb, Melanie. I love it.
Oh, it has just a nice little kick to it.
Yeah, there's only a little tang. Like it's not a hot sauce. It's more of like along the lines of between a sweet and a tang.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so good, man. It's so good. I can see why they have it on the tables at almost every freaking restaurant, it seems, down there.
So I'll just put that in the fridge now
And then we're going to stop this video and we'll come back and show you the finished product when it's done. And right now I'm going to tape the Mississippi mud cake, but you're not going to see it for another week.
You guys gotta wait. You guys gotta wait.
See you soon.
See you later, guys.
Okay, we're back.
Hey guys, okay, I'm gonna take this out, so I'm just gonna put this down here so you can see it.
Hey, Arietta, what you doing, puppy?
There's the,
Oh, that looks so nice, Mel. I love the color.
yeah. I'll cut a piece up.
If you want, you can put some sauce on your piece and give it a try, Mel.
I'm going to. Okay, I gotta back this up just a little bit. I'll take this piece here. Oh, is it ever moist?
Yeah, I can tell because I can see you can see some steam coming from it. Don't waste a drop or whatever they call it. Don't waste a crumb.
I won't. Okay, I'll move this out of the way, guys, so it's not in your way. I'll put it over. I know you smell it, Dakota. And I'll get a little bit of salt. And I'll get a spoon. I'm just gonna let everybody see that it's all cooked.
Oh, it looks nice, Melanie. Looks really good.
Tell Graham not to be jealous.
Man, the guys love this stuff.
And I'll put it up so you guys can see I'm having a bite.
Just don't burn your lips off.
I like the smell of that sauce.
Oh, it's heaven, man.
Oh my God, that's fun.
I'm glad you like it, Mel.
Oh, the pecans. Oh, the sauce.
Yeah, and I find the onion soup mix has enough flavoring in it that you don't need to go crazy with spices or nothing, eh? You just throw that onion soup mix on there, mix it in with the pecans, and
you don't even taste like the hot sauce or anything.
no. Hard to believe because you use hot sauce, but you really don't taste it, eh?
No, because I had it in with my eggs and everything.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is so good.
Well, guys, proof is right there on a plate. Tasty, tasty, tasty. 4 thumbs up. And
put more up.
so don't forget to tune in. We might throw up an extra video or two a month. We got lots of great fun things planned for the channel. Like ideas galore, eh, Melanie? And I'm telling you, you're
Carrie's
not gonna
out
be
thinking.
disappointed. Oh man, my mind doesn't shut off, does it?
No.
But we're going to come up with meals for a budget. Like unbelievable the stuff that we got planned for the channel, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And we hope that you guys come back and watch us. But we're planning on, instead of just one video a week, we're probably going to throw up an extra one here and there throughout the month, because Melanie and I are doing this a few times a week as already, and we're only putting up one video a week, but we're hanging in the kitchen more than that.
Yeah, and plus we're putting up 2 videos at like
2 recipes every video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So.
But anyway, hope that you's come back. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Peace, guys. Take
See you
care.
guys.